There are so many incredible places on planet Earth. Every time I experience one of them, I feel like I'm a part of something special. More often than not, a trip is planned around a particular activity, and as an unexpected bonus, you encounter something greater than the intended agenda. Expectations, concerns, goals, that sense of accomplishment, all make up part of your thoughts and feelings when you travel to new places for the next big adventure. Sit back and enjoy a little bit of God's artwork as we unfold some of the memories from our incredible trip to Englefield Bay. Our trip routes us through Vancouver for an overnight stay, then an early AM flight into Sandspit, where we'll jump on a short helicopter ride to our home in Englefield Bay for the next few days. After a warm greeting from the staff, we get settled into our rooms and we round up in the dining hall for a quick orientation, then we're off to catch some fish.
And that's cut off and gutted fresh, right? So that fish is not going to go in the freezer, it's going to be kept on ice, and we ship it to them fresh, all right? So when you're out on the water and you're thinking maybe you'd like to have some of your catch processed, use the red tag for high to wild. The other one that we have is a blue tag, and that represents fish going to St. Jean's. Again, they like their fish cut in a specific way for the processing. The only difference, the guys that just left weighed in at about 10,000 pounds worth of fish on the board. I put about 4,600 pounds of dressed fish.
So there were none left, that was it. Instructed, it means you have 5 hours a day with a guide. Okay? So pay attention and we're going to try and teach you everything that we know so that when you don't have a guide in your boat, you can be as effective or more effective than us, okay? So whatever you need, by all means, let us know there.
With more food available to you than you can shake a stick at, it's time to pack a lunch. Let's go fishing.
Don't give me Remsen on your...
The lawyer and the fish.
Yeah.
Pull him out of there, Jess.
220 feet. I need this. Tell the fingerfish to come in.
One of the hardest fish to kill.
Really?
Same thing with the halibut. And then with the halibut, you also break their tail.
God dang, the thing's still kicking.
Nice, bud. Holy roller.
Yeah, there's an even bigger one, right?
So you just see how there's a gap between the two gills?
Yep.
Right out the center of the head. Trailer hook goes as far down as you can, right along. You see the color change in the herring?
Okay, right on the line.
Yeah, right in the middle. Set it in.
So it's sticking out. Holy roller.
Bring it down.
Good idea. Nothing worse than that. Nice.
Jess, you are salmon catching fool.
Oh, did you? Just go down there and hand fish? That's on the bottom.
These are great food. Oh, yeah. We caught them right at a little bit of salmon and some mackerels.
Down low.
Zip time. Not really. It was kind of heavy.
All you do is wind up.
Give it hell. Yay!
Three days of incredible fishing, fantastic meals, and one very special happy birthday to Champ. The reality that our trip is coming to an end is a bit bittersweet. Excited to get home and see our families, we're a bit melancholy to leave this incredible environment. So as the staff puts together our fish in our own boxes and we wait for the helicopter arrival, we sit around and then celebrate the time that we had together as friends. Being constantly inspired by great people and great places, Englefield Bay is the destination I will never forget. On behalf of everyone at Viga, I want to thank you for your time, your loyalty, and your business. Till next time.